Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board outfits that I'm like inspired by and want to recreate them, and I use the clothes that I already have in my wardrobe to do so. I'm already in clothes today. I didn't feel like running down and getting my robe. I'm in a mood. I'm tired. We had family in town this weekend, had a pool party. I'm just really sluggish from the day, even though I like napped for a long time yesterday. Nonetheless, I went to bed late because I was watching the hockey game, and then I was like coming down from the hockey game. You don't care. I don't care. I'm just letting you know, okay? Alas, here we are. I have 4 outfits. I'm excited about them. I also feel like I haven't sat down and filmed in a minute because it's been a chaotic week. I swear I'm gonna get my vlog up. Lord help us. I have like a billion things I want to do in my life, and then when it comes down to doing them, I do none of them. It's probably diagnosed somewhere along the way, but I haven't done it. Don't care. Okay, let's start with number 1. She's wearing a scarf as a top. I think this is risky business, but I'm about to try it, so let's do it. Let's first put on our pants. I found a pant, like I look for links for all the things that I mentioned, and these were thrifted from years ago. But I found a good, like, dupe, if you will. So I'll link it if you're curious and want, like, a summery pant like this. But let's put them on. Should we? Pants. Oh, pants. Turn on. There we go. The button fell off, so we have a little loopy-loop. But these are, like, my favorite little summer pants. Is that a little bit better? That's a little bit better. Okay, let's try this scarf situation. I don't know how it's going to go. We're going to try it. Okay. Works. Okay, this is actually kind of cute. This is actually really cute. I'm kind of in love. Okay, and then she has a pair of jelly flats on. It is freezing in my house right now. I don't know why I'm so cold. I'm kind of loving this. I never have worn a scarf as a top. I know it's not, listen, I know it's not revolutionary, but like to me right now, in this given moment, it is. And it's hecka cute. What the heck? It's so good. Okay, she has a bag. What bag would I wear? This is so adorable. What the heck? I love when outfits that I think are not gonna look good because I'm like, love that for me. This is cute. I would also put a necklace on, honestly. See, I need to organize like all my necklaces and such. I just like threw everything in a bag. Honestly, I think this would be cute. Or threw everything in my dresser, and I need to like go through and have like an organization day. Oh, I've been missing this clip for a minute. Honestly, I think it's cute with the necklace. What do we think? Kinda digging it. All right, that was hers. Mine was definitely different colors and all that, but it doesn't matter. I tell you this all the time. Inspiration, not replication, and it's just supposed to be fun and give you like, I don't know, different way of using clothes that you've already had in your wardrobe that you've just not used this way, and this is so cool. I love. Okay, let's move on to look number 2, shall we? I think we nailed the first one. I am going to do something a little bit different because I think she has red shorts on. I don't own red shorts, but I do own a red like skirt, so we're going to put that on. See if it still gets the juvie job done. So I'm going to put on a red and white striped button up that I've had for years. This one's from Zara, but I linked one similar because they don't sell it anymore. All right, now to get this thing off. Guys, I've been so bad about going to the gym. I've not been back to the gym. I haven't been back to the gym in like, it's been like 2 months. It's been a long time, you guys. I don't know what my deal is. But sometimes we need breaks. I haven't taken a break like this in a long time. But I've been also like busy with house projects, so that I feel like I've been like moving my body and I'm exhausted still, but I'm ready to like get back into the gym. But I need that motivation and I don't have it right now. So anyway, let's put on our red little skirt. I just realized that this is the only outfit that doesn't have a scarf. Every other outfit has a scarf. Can't tell I've been loving scarves. I was gonna say, I feel like summer is already like cruising by. It's not even summer yet, girl. But like summer just feels like it's already flying by because we just have like, I don't know, just so much crap going on. All good stuff. But anyway, this is the base. Very good, very cute. She has little boat shoes on. But I don't know, I just feel like with summer camps and stuff, it's like, it feels like it's going by even faster because I'm like always preparing for the next week and like whatnot. I feel like these shoes are a little dark for this. I don't know. Yeah, I think they're fine. So I've been wanting to recreate this look for a while, but I didn't have any red bottoms, and then I got this red skirt and I think it's so cute. So this is a very good summery little fit. I'm kind of here for it. Love this. This could be a cute little like 4th of July sort of outfit. We're going to, I don't know, Scott bought tickets to go somewhere. I think Frisco or something, but anyway. Look number 2. Obviously very basic, very cute, nailed it. Obviously it's very easy, but can't go wrong with a red straight button. I've had this one in my collection for years. I haven't worn it as much as I have in the past couple years, so, you know, excited to bust it back out. She's carrying what looks like a glass of wine or a mimosa. I would say I wish, but I don't, because I think I had like 1 too many glasses of wine this weekend, and clearly I'm tired. So let's move on to the 3rd look. I think we nailed this one. So the next 2 outfits are pretty similar, but not the same. Let's put on these little shorts. These are super old. These are from Abercrombie. I've had these. Oh no, these are actually from Zara, but I've had these for a couple of years now. I did just get a new pair of denim shorts, which are the ones that I'm gonna link, from Quince. And I just need to figure out my sizing. I might wanna go down a size, so I think I'm gonna order a bigger size, or the smaller size, and see how they fit, because I love them. You guys are so good. Maybe I should put those on really quick and show you. Hold on. Like I went way up in size because I wanted these to be oversized, but sometimes I think they're just too big. They're like huge, but I kind of wanted a long short. These don't go with the outfit that I'm gonna plan though, I'm not gonna lie to you. I need to link a different pair of shorts. I think they're too big. I don't know, what do you guys think? I wanted something that just kind of hung off of me, but I think I could use like one less size to have just a little bit more fitting. I think these are like a 29? Yeah. Like I could go get a 28 and be good, but I don't know. Let's put on the other shorts really quick. A good classic denim short, and they're like 100% real denim too, like no stretchiness, which I love. Okay, let's put on a white button up, and I was linking this, and it's 50% off. This is the J. Crew a 10, I think, button up. It is so good, and get it while it's on sale, because I didn't get it while it was on sale. Crispy white button up. Like literally my favorite piece ever. Okay. So good. Alright. So mine's insanely oversized. I think this is a small though. Yeah, this is a small, but it's got a good like oversized fit. Now she has heels, like a kitten heel, so we're gonna try these on. But I also just got the cutest like platform flip-flops that remind me of my mom. From Quince, of course, because like let's be real. But those would also look cute. But you could do a little heel if you wanted. These are like not even a kitten heel, it's like small. Okay, so I don't know if this scarf will actually, let's try. I don't know if this is gonna fit because the shirt is oversized and yeah, this is too small. It's not big enough. Hold the phone. I'll get a bigger scarf. I know it's definitely different colored, but I think it'll work. I'm loving the scarves. You already know that. Still is not as big as I would have thought it would be, but I think it's fine for this. You can do one more button. Cute. This kind of gives the button up a little bit more shape and just some like fun color. Sunnies. I would probably do a black bag since I have black heels. So let's do that really quick. I don't know, you can go a little more sleek with this or a little more funsy with this. Both are adorable. I think I'd probably wear this as a night out if I was wearing like heels, so I'd probably go with a black bag. But if I was wearing flip-flops, I could go with the fun bag. Anyway. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, that was cute. Okay. Number 3. I feel like this is a really great, like, summery, cute outfit. You know what I mean? When there's like holes like this in jeans, I have to like stick my fingers through it. If you're like an OG blankie girl, you get it. If not, I don't know what to tell you. Yes, I still sleep with my same blanket that my aunt got me when I was a baby. And I love it. Okay, we keep these shoes on for the 4th and final look. It's like crazy how much it's disintegrated though, and I'm just like obsessed. I'm reminded of it because this morning Arlo's like knows how protective I am of my blankie. Like, I'm sorry I'm saving him first from burning fire. I say that jokingly, but like, if we're talking about Scott and him, then yeah. But Scout got his like paws tangled in my blankie, and Arlo's like, don't do that to mom's blankie. And Scott was like, you can't even call it out a blankie anymore. It's literally tattered like fabric. And I'm like, I know, it makes me so sad, but literally bury me with my blankie. Okay, anyway, let's move on to my black, or the 4th and final look. So she has a white linen button-ups, which I'm going to switch into in black, like, looks like linen shorts. So let's put that together. Very similar to this, but a little more summertime. A little more summery with the linen fabrics, whatever. So let's put them up. These shorts are super old from H&M, but I like something similar, I believe. Oh my gosh, what am I so tired from? I don't know. I need another day to recover. But that's just not a possibility when you're a mom. Okay. I think she doesn't have heels on. She has like a strappy black sandal. But this outfit reads to me a little nighttime, so I'm gonna put on these with these. Cause these shorts are like a trouser type of thing. They're pretty short, but they're still a trouser. Okay, let's put on a white linen button-up. I did not hang up any of my clothes today. Mondays are our like after school or after camp, whatever day, where we have like nothing planned, because every other day we pretty much have like sports of some kind. So it's kind of just like nice to not have to run around after camp. And Arlo's been exhausted after camp this past week, and he's doing the same camp this week. Even though it's only a half day, I think just being outside all day makes him exhausted. So, and it's kind of a gloomy day. It's not super sunny. So like, I'm gonna propose a chill afternoon. And I know he'll be down for it. Some days he's down for it. Other days he's not. Okay, scarf, yes. Doing this green one. I think hers is kind of green, kind of or black. I don't know. I don't look super close, and then you guys always tell me afterwards that are wrong. But I'm gonna do the green because I think the green looks good with the black. And this scarf is a little more like the whole outfit type of thing. Like, it's not tied. It's like a belt. It's more open. Does it make sense? Okay, let's put that. And then I'm thinking for the bag, let's do this one. I think this is cute. It's got a little black in it. Ooh, my itchy. Archer. This is adorable. I love this look so much. I feel like I want my hair to even grow longer, and I just keep cutting it every single time because you have to when your hair is long and bleached and you process it and do all the things. You have to trim it or else it's like split ends galore. But I feel like every time I'm growing it out, I cut it every single time so it's not growing past this length. I just need to be patient, but this is adorable. I love this look so much. Let me show you those shoes really quick though. Did I bring them up? In case you want to do something a little more casual, these flip-flops are to die for. And I bet they'll sell out so fast, so let me show you them before my next Quince haul. I literally wore them around the house the other day when I got them because I was like, these are so cute. I just like love them so much. They're just so 90s. Like big old chunky leather flip-flops, and they're honestly so comfortable. I'm kind of loving them. So this is another option for like more of a casual look, but I feel like the thickness of the straps, these are like honestly so nice. These just remind me of my mom so much. Platform like flip-flops like this. I know platforms have gone out a lot, but I still think the platform flip-flop hasn't had its moment, so I know it'll happen. But I got them in black. They have them in like a cognac and brown, but I went with the black, so that's it. That's my fourth and final Pinterest outfits. Lots of scarves. So if you're not a scarf fan, you probably were like, I hate this video, and like fair, but I don't. I love it. So that's the look. Let me know as always what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. If this doesn't make this is the most 90s sound. I like vividly remember two things from dance rehearsals. I was in dance and my mom would wear black flip-flops and I could hear her like thumping down the, like flunking, you know, clunking, because these flip-flops make a very distinct sound, down the like gradually gradient, the sloped stadium auditorium in Batavia, down to the stage to like take a video or picture or whatever during rehearsal. And then I also remember always, my mom was like a fruit or vegetable type of snack girl. And I remember like my friends being like, your breath smells like celery. And I'm like, that's because I eat a lot of celery and I love celery. Anyway, those two things. The 90s flip-flop thump, clatonk, whatever, if you know that sound, you know the sound. And then celery. Anyway, love you, Mom. If you can call your mom today, you should, because, I mean, if she's a good mom, but you should, because I wish I could, like, literally. Anyway, I love you guys. Let me know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.